done rich. Them mad beat me.
I say from here the voice I don't know King Breezy, the Rich Badness boss represented Just Vibes Radio. Fully Rich Badness.
You know, me never dare come talk about this. I never dare come talk about this, you know, I swear. But my viewers subscribers, it's like get John out now, and the man tell be like, but you wanna who come for talk it truth. So watch out, my viewers subscribers, a little incident happened a few days ago with Shaney. The man them gang him down a Sandy Park. Before we even jump into the title of the video on the see below. First and foremost, Shaney has discredited all source or all saying of him getting a beaten till all him fart bust up till him run left all him Nike Air and him smartphone. Him discredit all of the information there. So basically he must say nothing no gossip. Now, maybe not follow the news and the story for quite some while now because I never did really want to come talk about something where I'm uncertain about or it's just fallacious, meaning me not have no evidence or nothing to go so basically. You see, so after thoroughly doing some checks, you see, back and forth, linking a few people and whatever, yeah, the man them did beat Shaney with a board. You see it? However, let me just first say this. I gang him. You see, bust up all him head. Now, if you can see the starting of the video where he must say, yo, no boy. If you look carefully, there's a bruise. But let me tell you how mankind stay are in the dancehall arena. You see them man there? The man them full of ego. You see, so when something never happen, them can't come say, you know what say, it happened, the man them gang me, bust up made and be things. No, only a few people alone we come actually admit what really happened. Like when Dexter that be get beaten with belts, yeah, him did come out because prayer. The whole world did know say yo, him get beaten with belt. You see it? Now him gonna look like an extra fool now for come out and say, you know what's nothing no go so. Him did admit say yo, him get beaten with belt. You see it? Which I think that was hilarious because I don't know which man I go him down and beat him with belt. But anyways, yeah. So we did give him props to come tell the truth now. Now, in a situation here, we see Shaney and the man them from up top, them are in some lyrical confrontation until things get physical. Shaney got Sandy Park, the man them gang him in a night, a whole heap of them rush down upon him, beat him up with board, bust up and made him really fall him shoes. You see, but the phone, where when you see in the picture, they're saying that that phone is not of his, but of him shoes. And you can also see in this video here where I'm in the same Nike here. You see it? And them look identical at the same ear Nike them. Now, me did first I say, you know, some I don't believe a story. You see it? So me I say, me now come talk about it now. Me I go and wait first and see what really go on. Me did I wait and see. You see it? But now me have enough evidence if you can conclude the fact say, yo, the man them did beat him, but a gang him. You see it? It was only him and 3 other individuals. You see it? And a whole heap of man sudden just run down upon him so and just start beat him. The other man run left him. You get me? But him now come tell the people him say, yo, them gang him. You see, which me can't wrong him. You get him? Because in the entertainment industry you have to kind of protect your image. You see it? And you'll never hear that man come admit the facts of that go on. You hear what the man say? And smart no lay down. Yeah, and let me tell you this. Anybody can get gang. Anybody can get gang. You see it? An artist fail to understand the facts here, them a human being. And let me tell you the next thing too. If you realize, artists ever roll in a bungalow, whole heap of man back of them because them know so them have enemies and people are wait to catch them a lock just this once. You get me? So to save them from the shame and disgrace to which Shaney has come under, to save them from all of that disgrace and humiliation, them ever have a whole heap of soldiers around them to defend them at any point in time. As an artist, you alone can't roll in the street. Like here, all you hear some of the toughest the artists, them must say, oh, me can't go anywhere and still have my chain. Them have to roll with beer people. All of them on an area or community, man, will lick them down flatter ground. You see me? So, that's just how artists stay. Them go forever talk because that's how they make them money. But Anyway, them I got them affair row with a few people around them out to defend them because people ever want them stripe. People ever look clothes. You see it? And you see the incident with Shaney and me even call them on them name. They are the group. It was something way back then because the man must say Shaney bad man when you rise and thing and pass him kind of hate pan the youth the man. It's a vibes where they are going for a long while. You see, for some reason, you see, Shaney thinks him and the man must stand the park still good or him can still go there, whatever. You see it, so someone go on, argument start and the man them rush him. You see, they know artists them have more stuff chat in a music and them there as well the man them so some of them are internet bad man. And the man them rush him, beat him, wicked, him run left all him shoes. Now, am I saying Shaney did the wrong thing by running? No, brother, because who run live to fight another day? Where am I gonna do? Sit down, I lay down and make him man and beat him to death. Then a year say yo, when him in hospital a year say yo, John, no better me do this. At least him run, so him can always say yo, him never getting a beat up because him run. But you see if him man them they broke him up in the hospital, where am I gonna say? Carry him down. You see me? If you don't get where me I come from. So basically it go on, it passed already, but it's just that the man acknowledge the fact say yo, him get beaten. You see it. So the man him gang him technically. Now say him get beaten because kind of look away upon him. But the man him gang him and him run left him shoes. He made all bust up too. You see it. You notice when the man them did that say he made bust up, why him never come earlier come show him head say yo, you mad? Why I know him want to come show him head and we don't see the black spot right there so say man head bust up. You see it. We don't support violence still no, but you see people as artists, them have the most tough talk, brother, and African and different thing. You see it, no trouble people and live good with people, even though trouble go still find them. But don't go certain place if you don't know say people are giving a bad energy. Roll like some of the top artists them, ever have 200 man around them. You see me? All them man they not for the pan your peer, but I'm on a rate from your artist, I'm on a roll with you. You get me? Take my foolish advice. But my viewers, subscribers, me need to know what you think about this. Need to know what you think about this. You see it? When you believe say you the man them did bust up Shaney and them run left him shoes and him smartphone, talk to me in the comment section below, man. I need to know. You see it? Because the man discredit the fact say yo, what you know? We hear say he made get bust up. Now the man them say them have video. You see it? The man them say them have video, so we are wait to see if them are go release no video. So far, we only have the picture with the ear Nike and the phone and the board. I don't know for the board there, you see, but him get lick with that board. And he made it bust up in a real life. You know when I can come spread no propaganda and no fake news. But yeah, the man them bust up he made. He run left him shoes. Now more hear from Uno, the viewers, subscribers. If Uno believe say yo, the man them rush Shaney. Because remember, you know, Shaney have some bad man song and the song when him sing about Sandy Park, you know, I be a grimy lyrics much at night, you know. So maybe I fear wonder if really and truly if that really go on in a real life. But anyways, comment what you think. Until next time, Just Vibes Radio. You don't know the thing, go stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. You see it. Until next time, I'm out.